Hey everybody! This video is about access and downloading eMaterials, including streaming. We're going to look at downloading a PDF of an article, downloading an ebook if you want to on a device. You don't have to do that, but if you want to, I'm going to show you how to do that, and how to access streaming items, all through searching OneSearch. Okay, enjoy! Accessing eMaterials. How to download PDFs and eBooks, how to access streaming media. Downloading article PDFs. PDF means portable document format. This is an electronic file that may look just like the printed text. Journal, newspaper, and magazine articles, as well as book chapters, may be offered as PDFs in our databases and OneSearch. PDFs may also be downloaded from provider websites we connect to through OneSearch. CSULB does not have immediate access to all things. Use Beachreach Interlibrary Loan when a PDF is not immediately available. PDF download, example from EBSCO database. When you are searching a database provided by the company EBSCO, you can limit to full text in EBSCO to see all of the PDFs available for your search. Sometimes the result only has an HTML file. HTML means hypertext markup language. When a document is in HTML form, it has all of the text without any of the page numbers or images. Check with your instructor to see if using an HTML file is okay for your assignment. PDF download, example from ProQuest database. In a database provided by ProQuest, you can also find PDFs by limiting to full text. In ProQuest results, however, the phrase full text underneath the article title means HTML. In this case, choose full text-PDF to get the PDF that will have the page numbers and images. Each CSULB library database may look slightly different. The process to filter and download a PDF will be similar. There are times, however, when you will download a PDF from a website, not a database. Sometimes OneSearch will offer to take you outside of the CSULB library to a provider website that holds the PDF file. Here is an example of that. You need to write down the title, author, volume number, issue number, year, and page numbers of your article in case you have to look it up on the journal's website. If you cannot find the download button or the website asks you to pay money, stop. Make a request from Beachreach instead. And you always want to use the OneSearch library link to get to an outside website so that it recognizes you. This is how you have access. Don't try to go to the journal websites on their own. Always go through the link in the OneSearch results. PDFs. Remember, filters. Make sure you have the type of article you want by using filters whenever they are an option. Filters will help you find PDFs that are immediately available. Look for filters like full text or full text PDF or full text online or similar phrases. Full text. Full text can sometimes mean only the abstract or summary of the article. We may not have access to the whole thing. If this happens, try Beachreach to get it. Download. When you are on the page that has the PDF, look closely around the page to find the download button or link. The PDF download button may be in different locations, top left, middle right, etc., depending on the provider. If you cannot find the download button or the site asks you to pay, stop. Use Beachreach instead. Downloading eBooks to a device. eBooks. eBooks can be read online through the CSULB library if you are connected to the internet. You do not need to actually download a library ebook to read it. Downloading a CSULB ebook to your computer, tablet, or phone to read offline is borrowing a book. It will have a time limit of use on your device. There are many steps involved in downloading a library ebook to a device, and you will need to create a free account with adobe.com and maybe a free account with the ebook provider. eBooks. Finding ebooks in OneSearch. Use OneSearch to find ebooks. Select Books and Media from the drop-down menu and select Full Text Online from the filters on the left. In this example, for the book The Return of the Unicorns, we have the printed book as well as the ebook online version. Sometimes we only have print, or we may only have the ebook for any item you are looking for. eBooks download choices. Selecting the online access link in the OneSearch result brings us to the eBooks page. From here, you can read the ebook live online. It requires an internet connection. If you want to download part of the book, note the limit on the number of pages you can download as PDFs. You can also download the ebook to Adobe Digital Editions, which is a free ebook reading app. This is checking out the book, and it will have a time limit. eBooks read on Adobe Digital Editions. The free Adobe Digital Editions, abbreviated ADE, app is often the preferred app for downloading and reading ebooks from the CSULB Library. ADE reads EPUB files and PDFs, and these are the most common files that ebooks are produced in. ADE is available both for Android and Apple devices. To use ADE, create a free adobe.com account. You can use your CSULB email. Keep your password in a safe place. You can use ADE wherever you can install apps, your phone, tablet, or computer. It has a built-in timer. When your checkout period is over, the book will no longer be accessible in the app. eBooks find files to open in ADE. Adobe Digital Editions, ADE, is sometimes a bit difficult to use. You may have to locate the EPUB or PDF file of the ebook on your device and copy the file to the ADE app. That will open it. These downloaded files are often in your File or Downloads folder. I'll show you a how-to video coming up next. The video will show you how to for an Apple iPad, but it will be a similar process, not identical, but close, for an iPhone or for an Android device. And the first thing to notice is that I've already downloaded the Adobe Digital Editions app and created my Adobe account. So that's all free, and now I'm going to go get my file from the library to download it to the app so I can check the book out digitally. Here I am on my iPad, and I'm going to choose the Long Beach app. I'm going to scroll through and find the library under Campus Resources and Information, Library. And from there, I'm on the home page, which is our OneSearch page. In the OneSearch page, I'm going to do my standard research question, unicorns. And then I'm going to select Books and Media CSULB from the drop-down menu, because that narrows it down to things I know I have immediate access to. Hitting search or selecting search, I find my results. And I can see here all these things about unicorns. Under the filters, I'm going to select for full text online. And then all of my results will have online access. Fancy. I'm going to go to the second one, Return of the Unicorns, selecting the online access. It's going to ask me to sign in for more options to get access to the book. And I sign in with my Beach ID and password. And now by selecting the link, it will take me to the eBooks page. From here, I'm going to select Download Book. It'll ask me what device I'm using, iOS, iPad. I'm on my own computer, and I select Continue. Here it says I need to download the Adobe Digital Editions app. I've already done this. So I select Done with this step. And from here, I select for download, and it tells me how long my loan length is. There I am, 0 days, 23 hours. I didn't need it for very long. I download it, and that's the story, you think, until now I have to go find the file. So here's the thing. On an iPad, you have to start from the center of the screen and then swipe down to get to the search where you are going to find your files. So here I'm in my search, I can type in file, and then I can find the file application. And hey, there is my file for the book in Downloads. From here, it seems empty. I go to the little up arrow, and it asks me, do I want to copy to digital editions? Yes. So I am selecting the app to copy the file to open in Adobe Digital Editions. This is called Fulfilling. And we're good to go. There's the book on my tablet. So exciting. I can take notes. It works. All right. eBooks. Final thoughts. Downloading a library ebook is the same as checking out a physical book in the library. There will be a limited time of access to the book. Adobe Digital Editions, ADE, is the preferred app for most CSULB library ebooks. Remember, you may have to find the ebook file on your device to copy it to or open it with Adobe Digital Editions, ADE. You may also have to sign up for a free account for the provider of the ebook. EBSCO, for example, may require you to create a free account. Keep all of your library ebook accounts information in a safe place. It is useful to use your CSULB email when making these free accounts in case the provider needs to recognize you are a student at a university. Accessing streaming media. Accessing streaming media databases. CSULB has many streaming video database collections with popular movies and documentaries. You will need an internet connection to view these videos. On the homepage of the CSULB Library, underneath the OneSearch box, is the link to the databases. Select this link to get to the streaming media. Once inside the A to Z databases list, go to the Database Type drop-down menu and select Media Collection. Hovering or rolling over the small eye icon will reveal what's inside the database. If you are looking for popular films, try the streaming film databases Canopy with a K and Swank. Want to watch plays? Try Digital Theater Plus and Drama Online. Interested in audiobooks or popular books as ebooks? Look at RB Digital. You'll need to create a free account. Once you find a database you like, you can access it directly from the A to Z list under the first initial of its name. So for example, Drama Online would be under D. Thank you for learning more about how to use all the amazing resources available through the CSULB Library. Use your library. To learn more about using the databases and OneSearch, see our other videos.